Welcome to today's AI lesson in under 5 minutes. I'm excited to show you exactly how to take your first steps with AI implementation. We'll use a real example of a local coffee shop owner who wants to start using AI to improve their business operation. Before we dive in, let's understand what makes a good first AI project. The best starting points are tasks that you do regularly, they take significant time, they follow consistent patterns, and have low risk if mistakes happen. So let's follow Maria, our coffee shop owner, through her first AI implementation. She's chosen to start with social media content creation, a perfect first project because it's both low risk and high impact. Step 1, defining your needs. Watch as Maria types into ChatGPT the following prompt. I run a local coffee shop and want to create engaging social media content. Help me develop a content strategy that highlights our specialty drinks, community involvement, and coffee education. Notice how detailed yet manageable ChatGPT's response is. It suggests daily themes for content, post types for each theme, engagement strategies, and even hashtag recommendations. Step 2 is customizing the approach. Now let's make it specific to Maria's shop. So here we'll use the prompt, my signature drink is a lavender latte. We source beans from local roasters and we host monthly coffee brewing workshops. Help me integrate these unique elements into the content plan. See how the AI adapts the strategy to highlight Maria's unique offerings? This personalization is crucial for authentic content. Let's move to step 3, creating a test post. Let's create our first post. So now the prompt is, write a social media post about our lavender latte, emphasizing our house-made syrup and locally sourced ingredients. With the response that we get, we need to make sure that we review the AI suggestion, that we adjust the tone to fit what we want, to add specific details to make it more personalized, and to maintain the brand voice. The key is starting small but thinking strategically. Notice how Maria chose one specific aspect of her business. She started with a single platform, she tested content before posting, and she measured engagement results. Here's what happened after 1 week. Content creation time reduced by 75%. Post engagement increased by 40%. More consistent posting schedule, and better customer interaction. Now, it's your turn. Let's create your first AI implementation plan. Choose your task. Think about what you do regularly that follows patterns. Set clear goals. What does success look like for your first week? Start small. Pick one specific aspect to begin with, and then test and adjust. Review results and make improvements. A few pro tips. Keep your first project simple. Document what works and what doesn't. Build confidence before expanding, and remember, you're in control. The most important thing to remember is that everyone starts somewhere. Your first AI implementation doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to begin. Want personalized guidance for your first AI implementation? Schedule a free 15-minute consultation at investinyourself101.com. Remember, the best way to learn is by doing. Start small, but start today.